I'm going to show you how to join in a new ball of yarn when you're half double crocheting. So let's say we get mid-row of our work and we're ready to join in a new ball. I like to make sure I have a nice long tail, so I'm going to pull out my last stitch. So to join in our new ball, we want to start our half double crochet into our next stitch, but we want to stop before completing our last yarn over. So I'm going to stop here, and then I'm going to grab my new yarn. I like to loop it around my finger and then place that loop on the hook and complete the half double crochet. You'll want to hold your tails to either the front or the back of the work depending on the orientation of your work, but for that next stitch, I like to half double crochet over the tails. You can then pull on the tails to adjust the tension of that stitch. And then we'll hold the tails out of the way and we'll continue half double crocheting as normal. Let's say you got to the end of the row and you just ran out of yarn and you know you want to start the next row with the new ball. What we're going to do is we're going to pull our hook out and rip out that last stitch. And we're going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to start our half double crochet into that last stitch, but we're going to stop before that last yarn over. Grab your new yarn, loop it around your finger, place the loop on your hook, and complete your half double crochet. We've just joined in our new yarn. We're ready to turn our work and start our next row. Once again, you'll either want to hold your tails to the front or the back, depending on the orientation of your work. And we're going to start our row with a chain 2. And for that first stitch, I like to crochet over those tails. So I'm going to half double crochet into that first stitch, crocheting over those 2 tails. And then, like we did before, you can pull on your tails to adjust the tension of your stitch, and then hold them out of the way and continue half double crocheting as normal. And that's all there is to it.